Hi, I am Nathan Turner.
Hi, I'm Mandy Cheng.
We're both decorators, and so naturally, we're going to decorate a Barbie dream house.
Of course.
Why not, right? Barbie came out with a brand new dream house, and we wanted to customize it. So I feel like we have to start with wall shops, Barbie Dream House wallpapers. These actually are sized to fit a dream house.
Yes.
And they're peel and stick, so we're gonna start with that. And then you found some stuff online, right?
Yes, we did. So, this is part of the dream house, and we can take fabrics that are part of the wall shop line, and we can customize these. And then there's little miniature.
That's ridiculous. And that's real wall shop fabric,
I know,
downsized,
just
right?
downsized. Do you want to show them the real size?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Ta-da! Isn't that like real?
The
That's
cutest
ridiculous.
thing.
Like why is doll furniture so cute?
It's like my chart.
Yeah, like this is cute, but like I feel like, as
be
decorators,
cuter.
we're always we want to give it like a California vibe.
Yeah.
So natural materials. We found this cute beach chair in wood on Etsy, and then this is honestly, I think it's actually like a real sample from Wall Shop.
It's real size.
And cut and made our own upholstery. These are insane, and we sell
And we
these.
sell it. Yeah. We sell it.
These are real. They're part of our Barbie collaboration with Art Shop under the Wall Shop name. We have Surfs Up. We have, that hairdo is like.
And you
perfect.
can get it in a larger size, so you can see it.
Yeah.
Put it on your wall. Do you want to talk about this?
Yeah,
And
that's
then-
gonna be your project.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm not really crafty. We both wanted to
Make this.
more natural.
Yeah.
Like there's the
Maybe not so
wicker
young, yeah.
hanging one that we all love, but we thought make it look like it's rattan.
Maybe do it on a Tuesday evening when you don't really have much else to do, so
And
you
then-
have a little bit of patience.
I feel like a Tuesday evening that runs into Wednesday morning
Absolutely.
because that's gonna take a long time. So that's why I'm giving you that's gonna be your job.
Thanks, Nathan.
But I feel like, and then with
Thanks.
this on the cushion, it'd be really cute, right?
Yeah, so cute. Yeah. I'll be here until next week.
Okay, you get back started on that, and then I'll be back tomorrow and see how it goes.
All I've done about it is.
Yes. No, I have faith in you.
Thanks.
So that's what we have so far, and a lot of other things. So we're gonna go over to the house and start installing.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Let's do this.
All right, so here we have it. We have all of our stuff.
Yes.
Some of it we found on Etsy. Some of it we've made, or you've made.
Some of it's very DIY, like
Yes.
this.
Yeah.
This little guy is the top of a Santa hat.
And it looks like
It looks-
a
yeah.
Shirley little stool.
Truly.
It's so good. I love that.
I
That
love
was
it.
a really good one. So let's jump in.
Okay.
Oh, I guess we should talk about the wallpaper because we did start with that first. And we did, of course, a lot of the Barbie collab wallpaper. I love wrapping some of these poles. And
We have more, so we can wrap the other one.
yeah, I think we should definitely
This
keep going with
one,
that there.
yeah.
And we have the fashion Barbie in the back of her closet, obviously.
The faux cane.
I love that. And then we're gonna do a little mirror, which we have double stick tape on that for there. But I think the
So
painting is
cute.
cute. And I think what did you pick for that? We're getting rid of the window. She doesn't need a window.
I mean, I like natural light, but if you don't like natural light, that's fine. I want
Well,
this.
she has, it's a very open floor plan, right?
Fine.
It's the most open
Neat
floor
bit.
plan I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute.
So we could add that in there.
It's
I'll
like we're
take it.
going from pattern on pattern here.
Yeah.
Right?
We
I'm
love
putting the
pattern.
mirror up.
Okay, go for it.
Because girls gotta see themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's your? Oh, here it is. I mean, you have
Oh.
to show that. That's amazing.
I
That's
spent-
amazing.
I spent a month
Yeah.
doing this.
Okay. A month.
A
We
month.
probably did.
Each
It was time well
each
spent.
rod was 1 week, and then this was
Oh my
the
God.
last week.
But look at she.
It's so
I
good.
love it.
Go for it. I'll let you do the honors.
Okay. I love that.
Oh my god.
Right?
It is so cute.
It's so much more like, oh, girls' legs are like, she's been doing yoga.
Yeah.
It's so much more like California vibes, right?
I love it. Look
I
at how
mean,
cute
come
that
on.
is. Oh my
Perfect.
God.
Done. And then we've done a lot of rugs. Some of them, like this is just burlap that
Yeah.
we cut to cover this purple shag, which, you know, I'm not mad at a purple shag, but it's not what we were going for.
No.
So we covered that there. Some were from Etsy, right?
Yes. So most of the fabrics are from Etsy. This little window
Oh my
shade.
God, that is so cute.
Okay, I'll let you do it. I'll
Again,
knock
in
the
a
whole thing
natural
over.
linen to keep our whole like natural vibe.
California chic.
A little blind. Oh, this is really cute. This is basically we took the disco ball off, and then this is our version of a Noguchi paper lantern that's just off of like, you know, the stringed cafe lights.
Yeah.
I think it gives more of a Zen vibe for her. She doesn't.
Well, also because this is going to be her yoga station, so we have a little cutout of her doing.
It's
all of
inspirational.
the- Yeah. So this.
She's
can go
we basically
right
turned
here.
her disco into a yoga studio.
Yeah.
How Californian is that? You know what I mean? Like it's time of
any other way to
COVID.
do
She doesn't
it.
need to be going to a disco. She doesn't need to have that many people in her house right now.
Nobody's
You know what I
going to do
mean?
disco up there. That is a Zen vibe.
She needs to be doing yoga. And then we have this really nice rooftop deck. Again, our Etsy chair with Wall Shop fabrics.
Circle back next week when I have this corner peeled.
Okay.
Here we go.
Well, you've got the nails. This was cute. Was this an Etsy?
It was an Etsy, and then the paper we cut into triangles and just stuck them on. It's like the vinyl wallpaper.
Look at how cute that is with that.
I know.
Come on.
So good.
This is customization at its best.
This.
Yes. Oh, I bet this is Yoga Barbie maybe. That's why she's so... Maybe she goes up there.
Can we put her up there?
I
Oh,
think
and
we
then
should.
yeah, let's do that. Let's toss her up here under her umbrella.
Mm-hmm. Where does this go? I can't remember.
Her here.
Oh, she's sunny.
Yeah.
All right.
Can
Yes.
we pop a leg?
Yes, girl. Yes.
Oh, she needs privacy,
Oh, you've got some...
right?
Yes. Exactly. Everybody wants a little privacy.
Yeah.
All right, I'm wrapping one of these things.
Okay.
I'm going to center the line. The nice, these are just like our wall shop removable. You can kind of apply it,
Yeah, it was
And
easier
pull
to
it.
take the paper off than I thought.
pull it back off. I'm not naturally crafty, believe it or not.
I think you're doing right.
Oh no, see, I need one of those,
The plastic
yeah.
squeegee wedge thing.
Come on now, if I can do this, anyone can. There, it's just like a little spot.
Can I decorate that chair?
Oh my god, wait, the pillows. I can't with the pillows. They're like
Just
so...
hold on 1 second. Here we go.
Yes.
Great.
Come on. And then you gotta do, you know how you fluff? You like...
Can you? Yeah.
It's really cute. I love it.
Does she have books?
This...
Yeah,
like,
she does.
She
Excuse
has...
me, everybody.
Because she cooks. So of course, naturally, she's got to get an I Love California cookbook. This is insane. I love it so much. I want like 12
It just
of
looks
them.
so familiar.
Right? I know. Doesn't it?
I mean,
Really?
this guy right
That
there.
wee little... I've never seen myself so small. I think that definitely goes on the coffee table.
Yeah.
With Barbie
With
style.
Barbie.
Barbie
Oh, we have some
Celine.
more books. These can go on the bookshelf.
Yeah. There's a book. Oh, where's the bookshelf?
Right there.
Oh, all
We
right.
can put it here.
Oh yeah, in our closet. Here's a little succulent. Nothing says Southern California like a succulent, right?
It's so well decorated.
These are crazy. We've got to like, I have to actually pull this
Sofa.
out
Yes.
to do this. I don't know why I find so much satisfaction in. Let's go with a little bing
Oh.
and a little bing
Okay.
and a little squish. I mean, why is that so cute?
It's really
a little
satisfying.
blue, right? Stop.
So satisfying.
Okay, that might be my favorite part. I like small food too. Maybe
I like
that's
small
why.
everything.
Well, no wonder you love doing this with me. I don't know. Oh, that one was really good. Like it's a really bad.
So the good thing is that you can peel it right off.
If you want to support the Barbie Dream Gap Project, click the link below and bid on this Barbie Dreamhouse that we customized and make it your own. And if you just want to support the Barbie Dream Gap Project, you can also click and donate as well.